Hey guys, going to create a last minute Cheetah Halloween makeup look, so let's get into it. So priming my eyes using the About Face Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm using the Stone Cold Fox palette, but I'm also going to be using the tape trick to create clean, sharp wings. So I'm first going to sketch out using an angled brush where to apply the tape. Then I'm going to go in using Enigma and apply that as a foundational base shade all over the lids. Now I'm using Rumor Mill and just concentrating that on the outer edges to create a smoked out look. Now I'm using this metallic magnetic moon shade that is so pretty and concentrating that on the inner thirds. Now I'm going in with Rock Bottom and using an angled brush and just drawing a super dramatic extended wing. This is what I love about Halloween. You can be as dramatic with your look as you want, and this also goes well with this feline look. I also went ahead and lined my inner corners, which I think also contributes to the overall feline look. Here I am taking my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen and just tracing it over. I think this really helps it pop. Okay, time to take off the tape and just look at how sharp and clean these extended wings are. Now I'm applying some Rumor Mill to the lower lash line as well to create congruency. I also did apply my bronzer highlighter by Bare Minerals all over the face to mimic the fur color of a leopard / cheetah. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and apply some falsies as well as mascara to the lower lash line. Okay, here I am taking Drama Mama and I'm starting to work on my nose. Okay, now for the fun part. Time to flex those artistic skills and create that leopard pattern all over my face. So again, using Drama Mama and applying semicircles of varying shapes and sizes across my face. Okay, so here I am taking my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen and just tracing over those semicircles. I think it really helps make the spots or the pattern really pop. Okay guys, I had the most perfect cheetah print dress that really goes with this look, so I went ahead and put that on. And also here I'm lining my lips using a brown lip liner, and then I'm applying my Urban Decay Horchata lipstick, which I think goes perfectly well with this look. Okay, so I realized the audio is off here, so just going to recap. I put on these cat ears that light up, super cute, goes with this look. I love this cheetah print dress, and again, I cannot stop raving how perfect the Stone Cold Fox palette is. All the colors are super pigmented, and they're also just such a good variety of colors, perfect for Halloween looks. So I hope you guys have an awesome Halloween. This is a great last minute option, and let me know if you try out this look. Again, have a safe and happy Halloween.